How to get Korean letters and Roblox display name. The first things first is open up your Roblox launcher or use the web version, which is going to be the roblox.com's official website. Now in this video I'm going to be using Google Chrome. Now once you're here, make sure that you're fully logged into your account. Now head directly to the gear icon, which will take you to your account settings, and then you will be redirected to your account center. Then here, just head down to display name, and then just simply choose or find any Korean letters that you prefer. So what you want to do is just simply copy the Korean characters and then just simply paste it here. Now, as you can see, sometimes it is not working. So what you want to do is just quickly paste the Korean letters and quickly click on save. And that is how you get Korean letters and Roblox display name.